2SC, single crochet, is not equal to INC, increase. After taking it apart, it is SC, SC, INC. 1 single crochet in the first hole, 1 single crochet in the second hole, 2 single crochets in the third hole. Repeat this sequence 6 more times. The total number of stitches in this round is 24 stitches. Take the stitch marker down and insert the hook into the hole under the V yarn over. The hook is slightly down to draw the yarn pull through the hole. Remember to pull the hook up so that the second loop is the same size as the first loop. There are 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over. The hook is slightly down and pull the yarn through the 2 loops above the hook. There is 1 loop on the hook. The first single crochet is completed. Make the loop bigger. This will keep the stitches we just finished from falling apart. Now we need to snap the stitch marker we just took off under the first V we just made. Put the hook back into the loop and pull the yarn to adjust the size of the loop. Let's move on to the second single crochet. Insert the hook into the next hole, yarn over. The hook is slightly down to draw the yarn pull through the hole. Pull the hook up so that the second loop is the same size as the first loop. There are 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over. The hook is slightly down and pull the yarn through the 2 loops above the hook. There are 1 loop on the hook. The second single crochet is completed. Increase stitch in next hole. That is 2 single crochet in 1 hole. Put the hook into the next hole, yarn over, pull the yarn out of the hole with the hook slightly down, pull the hook up to make the second loop the same size as the first loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through the 2 loops above the hook with the hook pointing slightly down. Continue with a single crochet hook in the same hole. Put the hook through the same hole, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the hole with the hook slightly down. At this time, there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, and the hook is slightly down to pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. At this time, there is a loop on the hook. A group of 2 single crochet and increase has been completed here. Continue to complete the remaining 5 groups of crochets in the order just now.